Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In our previous videos, we see OOPS concepts. Now let's see about super method in Python. To use super method in program, we need to create classes based on inheritance method. Now I am creating two classes based on single inheritance. Here I am created two classes based on single inheritance. Here it prints its child method because when I try to run child class, it automatically executes init block. But in parent class, we also have init block. Like we did in polymorphism, if both parent and child class has a same method, the method in child class will be executed. Like that, here the init method in child class is executed, but init method in parent class doesn't. If we need the init method in parent class to execute, we can use super method here. Let's type super dot. Here you need to mention which method you are going to call. Here I am calling init method. The super method is only used in the child class. If you use in the parent class, it will show the error. Let's run it again. Here you can see the init method in both the classes are executed. When we call the child class, the init method in child executed in init block, the first line is super and we are calling init method of parent class. So first the parent class is executed and the child class is executed. If I use the super method below the print statement of child init, the parent class will be executed after the child init is printed. Let's try it. Here you can see the child init is printed and later the parent init is displayed. Not only the initialization, if we have other methods with the same name, like in method overloading, until only the parent class has the method name, the parent class method will be executed. If the same method is used in the child class overrides the parent class method. Let's like details. It's parent class details. Let's call the details here. Let's run it. Here you can see the parent class details is executed. If same detail method name will be in the child class will be executed. Like it overwrites the parent class. Let's copy this. Child class. Let's run it again. Here you can see the child class is executed. The detail method in child class overrides the detail method in parent class. Now here we need to execute details method in parent class. Do it using super. The method name is details. Let's run it. Here you can see first the parent class is executed and the child class is executed because the parent class is on top and child class is next to it. Like this we can also pass arguments. Let me show you. In details I am asking to print name. Okay. Here in details I am passing name as RK. Let's run it again. Let's game it. Okay, let's run it again. Here it displays RK. But what happens if we use the same variable name in two classes? Let me show you. Here the name is RK and let's remove it from, and here the name is rock order. Here I am passing name. Let's run it again. Self dot name. Here it displays rock coder because the current class that we are passing the value from is child. So the value of name in child is rock coder. But here I need to use the name variable of parent, but currently I am getting the value of child class. So what can I do? Instead of using self here, I can use super. It will denotes that now I need to get the name variable from the parent class, not from the current class. Here the child class is the current class. Now I am asking the name variable from the parent class. Let's try to run it again. Here it prints RK because the super denotes always the parent class. If you remove the inheritance concept from here and try to run it again, it shows error because there is no parent class for the current class. Placing back parent to its place. Not only the details, you can also fetch any method from the parent class. Here you have fetched detail method from the parent class. Not only the details, you can fetch any method from the parent class. Like now I am asking parent method. Try to get it. Here it displays its parent method. So by using super, you can fetch any method from the parent class. Not only using the single inheritance, you can use it in the multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hybrid, hierarchy, in any inheritance concept. Here I have shown how to use it in the single inheritance, the same concept that follows in multiple, multi-level and other inheritance concept. Try it as your own. So this is the way how you can use super method in your Python programs. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.